Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we delve into the world of home decor and designs. Today we have a fascinating topic to explore: sculptured candle holders. These unique pieces not only provide a functional purpose but also serve as work of art that can elevate the ambience of any work. In this video, we will be showcasing some stunning sculptured candle holders and discussing how they can add beauty and charm to your home decor. So let's get started. Our first sculptured candle holders is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Made from metal, this piece showcases intricate details and delicate curves that catch the eye. The candlelight dances off its counters create a mesmerizing display. Place it on a side table and mantel to instantly add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living space. If you prefer a more minimalist and contemporary styles, this next sculpture candle holders is perfect for you. It is clean line and simple yet striking designs make it a versatile piece that can complement any decor. The contrast between the smooth ceramic surface and the warm glow of a candle create a serene and cozy atmosphere. Nature-inspired decor is always a popular choice, and these sculptures candle holders bring the beauty of the outdoor into your home. Made from natural materials like wood or stones, it showcases organic shapes and textures. When lit, the flickering flame adds a warm and earthy embrace, making it an ideal addition to your living room and bathroom. Sculpture candle holders come in a variety of styles, ranging from traditional or to avant-garde. This next piece exemplifies contemporary designs with its bold shapes and conventional forms. It serves as a conversation starter and a striking focal point in any room. Let your imagination run wild and explore unique and artistic design that reflect your personality. The beauty of sculptural candle holders is that you can mix and match them to create a visually captivating arrangement. That concludes our exploration of sculptural candle holders. These remarkable pieces not only illuminate your space but also serve as exquisite decor elements. Whether you prefer intricate craftsmanship, minimalist designs, or nature-inspired aesthetics, there is a sculpture candle holders out there for your every taste and style. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more exciting content.